Okay, we're starting to take the hub apart. We just have to dismantle the brake pads and the holder for the caliper. Oh, it came off. Okay, there's the hub we're after. Now we gotta undo the big nut. 36 millimeters. Okay, this is the way we had to do it to lock the hub in. We had to put a bar across the wheel right here to hold the hub from turning.
For some reason the part would not engage. I think the transmission's missing.
Yeah. You probably could do this also if you engage your brakes before you even start, and then try to take the nut off first. But this is the way we did it, because there's no other way to hold it.
Unless the tire's on the ground.
Well, yeah, tire's on the ground.
Yeah, tire on the ground, but as you could see,
tire's not on the ground.
Not an option.
Okay. That's tip number 2. Okay, there's 2 nuts.
And now we'll turn her the other way. You gone deep sea diving?
Note. Now, the next thing is the puller. Because we don't want to hammer this because there's a sensor right there connected. We got to unconnect that. That's why we don't want to hammer it out of there. The ABS sensor. Need my hand.
Turn that a little bit. Get that in the center. Oh, hang on. Square this all up.
Now put a wrench on her. And
you know what I mean, eh?
oh, something's happening. But what?
Do a shot in there, you'll see it coming out.
Yeah, but it's not breaking.
Sure it is.
It's not breaking free of the. Oh, you might have. Let's see. It's just. Okay. Yeah, it's coming off. We're just trying to crack the seal here now.
You gone deep sea diving with that lately?
No, I put
Cancun, did you go snorkeling with that?
Well, I put it under the water to look at the fish.
Did you go snorkeling with it?
No, but I did put it under the water. Didn't have snorkel gear.
fuck. All the trips you've been on and you never seen what's swimming with you.
Well, sure. I looked underneath what the camera said.
Fuck. You'd be surprised.
I see lots of
It'll
fish.
make you think twice
Well,
when
as
you
long
start
as-
swimming when you see that big one go by.